everybody, it's Carly, and today we're going to do an experiment on vinegar volcano. So what you will need is some baking soda, a jar, some white vinegar, a napkin, and a tray. Baking soda is also known as sodium bicarbonate. Vinegar is an acid mixed together in a bicarbonate acid. So first we're going to take the baking soda, or the sodium bicarbonate, and we're going to put at least 2 or 3 spoonfuls with the teaspoon. And then we're going to add our vinegar, also known as an acid, very slowly, and see what happens. Ah! Wow, that actually worked. It's a volcano out of here. Let's pour some more. Wow. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. And don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye, guys.